I just received this box from Insta360, so let's open it up and take a look what's inside. It is quite heavy. Is that the sound of a new camera? There's a big box in here. Oh my god, check this out. It's a gold selfie stick. Wow, that's a gold selfie stick. Wow, check this out. Passport holder and luggage tag. And I think there's still one more thing in here. Wow, check that out. I'll definitely be keeping my water warm in here because London is freezing. I love all the presents. Thank you so much Insta360 for these amazing gifts.